Now let's go over to the left-hand side and click on Online Store. We'll then click on Pages. As you can see, there's a couple auto-generated pages like your contact page and an additional privacy policy page. If you want to add a new page, go to the top right-hand side and click on Add Page. For example, you could create an About Us page, a sizing chart, or an FAQ. You can configure the title to read FAQ or whatever page you're looking to create, and then just fill in the content here. Once you're done, click on Save, and you've created a new page. Now, back on the left-hand side, let's go to Navigation. Here we can access our main menu and our footer menu, which will be really important for our store. Let's begin by customizing the footer menu. To do that, just click into it. Now, let's click on Add Menu Item. Then click into Link. Go down and find Policies. And we can add in all of our policy pages we created earlier. Let's take a moment to do that. We've now added in all of our legal and policy pages to our footer menu. Once you're done, click on Save. Now let's go up to Footer menu here at the top and click on Back. Let's now customize our main menu. To do that, click into it. Here you'll see we have a Home button, a Catalog, and a Contact. I want to create a submenu out of Catalog, where I can showcase my product collections and all of my products. To do that is very simple. Click on Add Menu Item, then click into Link, and then find Collections. I'll click into this here, and I'll add Golden Retriever Tees, which is the collection we made earlier in the video. Then to create a submenu within Catalog, simply drag this collection right underneath Catalog and move it slightly to the right. Then when you let go, you'll see an arrow appear next to Catalog. That indicates you've created a submenu. I'll click on the check mark here to finalize. Then I'll go back down to Add Menu Item, click into Link again, and then I'll click into Products. Then I'll click on All Products. And once again, I'll drag and drop this into my submenu. I'll click on the check mark to finalize. And now my Golden Retriever Tees collection and all of my products are underneath my catalog. Now that I'm done configuring my main menu, I'll click on Save.